Hi. Travel stories are always exciting. Today we'll learn to talk about places you visited with,
가본 적이 있어요?
and future plans with.
할 계획이에요.
Just two things talking about your past,
경험,
experience, and your future.
계획,
Plans. Let's connect past and future naturally. Some places out there you've been to, others you want to visit, right? Let's say that feeling in Korean.
여행,
Means travel, going somewhere and coming back. Use it like,
여행을 가다,
or,
여행을 하다.
in summer I travel with my family.
경험,
Means experience something you've done. Travel.
경험.
Stays with you. Say,
좋은 경험이었어요.
it was a good experience.
명소,
Means a famous spot many people visit. Every city has great.
명소,
That one out there is a well-known.
명소. 예약,
Means reservation, booking in advance. Before a trip you.
예약,
Tickets and rooms. Ask,
예약했어요.
did you book?
숙소,
Means accommodation where you sleep on a trip. Hotels and guest houses are all.
숙소. 숙소를 예약했어요.
I booked a place to stay.
계획,
Means plan what you've decided to do. Use,
할 계획이에요.
for the future. I plan to go hiking this weekend. Now experiences. Add,
예, 가본 적이 있어요.
after a place to say you've been there. Repeat slowly.
가본 적이 있어요.
For example,
제주도에 가본 적이 있어요.
I've been to Jeju Island, a place with beautiful blue seas. Point far away as you say it. One more.
서울에 가본 적이 있어요.
I've been to Seoul. Where have you been? Think of it and say it. At how many times?
2번 가본 적이 있어요.
I've been twice. Many times.
여러 번 가본 적이 있어요.
Use it for any experience.
한 적이 있어요.
Means you have the experience. If not, answer.
한 적이 없어요.
Now the future. At.
할 계획이에요.
After what you intend to do.
갈 계획이에요.
Plan to go.
볼 계획이에요.
Plan to see. For example,
다음엔 부산에 갈 계획이에요.
next I plan to go to Busan, famous for its sea and night views. Say it dreamily watching the sunset. Not just places, also things to do.
주말에 등산할 계획이에요.
I plan to hike this weekend.
쉴 계획이에요.
Plan to rest works too. Before a trip you prepare.
숙소를 예약할 계획이에요.
I plan to book a place to stay. Put today's words into your plans. You can ask too.
언제 갈 계획이에요?
When do you plan to go? That's how you hear someone's plans. A real conversation. Fast.
제주도에 가본 적이 있어요?
Have you been to Jeju? Answer.
네. 2번 가본 적이 있어요?
Yes, I've been twice. Follow experience with a plan.
2번 가본 적이 있어요? 다음엔 부산에 갈 계획이에요.
Past and future in one breath. Your turn. Think of one place you've been and one you'll go. Something.
예, 가본 적이 있어요.
Something.
예, 갈 계획이에요.
Recap. Words.
여행, 경험, 계획, 명소, 예약, 숙소.
Experience.
가본 적이 있어요?
Plans.
할 계획이에요.
Great job. Make your own travel story with today's expressions. See you next time.